This is your test of accounting, test of multiple choice questions. How many transactions should be recorded as drawings in the journal? You have to write it down, the number one, and then correct option. You have to write it down that the which transaction should be taken as drawings in the journal. Second MCQs I have: account receivable and inventory are the example of liquid assets, current assets, fixed assets, and capital assets. Now I proceed further. Once I will remove these MCQs 1 and 2, then I will not go back. So if you missed your MCQs number 1 and 2, then it will not repeat. Three MCQs on your screen, and you have to write it down the answer for these three MCQs. Which of the following journal entry will be recorded if cash is drawn by a proprietor? You have to choose the appropriate journal entry and the corrected journal entry, you can say. Then we have number four. What is a balance sheet? A statement of assets, liabilities, capital of a business on a certain date. Option B, list of balances remaining on a business books on a certain date. Option C, a summary of a business transaction for the year. Option D, an account showing the financial position of a business at the year end. MCQs number 5. How are trade receivables shown in the balance sheet? As an assets, liabilities, capital, revenue. Once your MCQs proceed, then it will not be back. This is your MCQs number 6. At the end of his first year, a trader provides the following information: sales 90,000, purchase 60,000, closing stock 10,000, carriage inward 5,000, and carriage outward is your 8,000. What is the gross profit? Option A 27,000, option B 32,000, option C 35,000, and option D is your 40,000. Here, I would like to give you a clue. The carriage outward is usually taken as your transportation out from the business, and transportation in is the transportation which you expend in doing your purchases of the business. Once you are solving this MCQs number 6, it is based upon your calculations. So for the calculation point of view, you must show the working of your MCQs, that how you have extracted the answer of this specific multiple choice. You have to show your working of the calculation of gross profit. If you find that your answer is not matching any of the four options, you can write your own answer also. I have no issue, but I want to see and check your working, that how you have calculated your gross profit. Proceeding towards your next MCQs. This is your MCQs number 7. Ayan provides the following information for the year ended December 31st. We have sales 14,000, closing stock 900, purchases 6,000, opening stock or opening merchandise you can say is 1400. What is the gross profit? Option A is 5,700, 7,500. Option B is 7,500, 7,500. Option C is 8,500, 8,500. Option D is 10,300, 1,0300. You have to choose the best option, the appropriate answers in your answering sheet. One point I would like to mention you that you have to show the working of this MCQs and how you have extracted the answer. I want to check your working also. So make sure you have done your working while you are writing your appropriate answer. I don't want any answer. If you forgot, you're mentioning your working and just you have written the correct answer, I will not accept that answer. Now your next MCQs will be Javed had the following. Wait. Yes, Javed had the following assets and liabilities. Equipment 10,000, bank balance 2,000, amount owing by customers 5,000, loan to Danish 3,000, motor vehicle 8,000, amount owing to supplier 4,000, stock 6,000. What was the Javed capital? First of all, you have to write it down the nature of each of the following, okay? That which one is your asset, liability, expense, revenue, and then you can find the capital when you know what is the formula of capital. So you have to apply the formula for calculating the capital, but you must know side by side the nature of each of the following account which is mentioned in your data. So your data in the transaction should be comprises of your different statements. Like first of all, it is mentioned that Javed had assets, like definitely, and they have mentioned the assets and liabilities only. Then you have to focus that the nature of equipment. First of all, you have to write it down the nature, appropriate natures of equipment, then bank balance, then amount owing by customers. You must think about it whether it is asset or liability. ठीक then bete loan to Danish, you must find it out that whether it is your asset or liability. After going through all your assets and liabilities, you have to show the working that how you have calculated Mr. Javed capital. You have to put the formula for calculation of capital, then put the values in the formula, and then your answer will be solved. Okay. Your next MCQs will be which of the following account will be credited when a typewriter is sold that has been used in the office? Which of the following account will be credited when a typewriter is sold that has been used in the office? You have to write it down that which account will be credited. When typewriter is sold, you have to think about the journal entry, and in that journal entry which account you will credit. You have to choose that account. Option A is your cash account, option B is your sales account, option C is your purchase account, and option D office equipment account. You have to choose the appropriate account, that which account will be credited when typewriter is stored that has been used in the office. Yes, MCQs number 10 and 11. Sorry. MCQs number 10. Which of the following journal entry will be recorded if merchandise is drawn by a proprietor? Means if your proprietor drawn merchandise, then what will be the accepted and corrected journal entry? Option A, proprietors drawing debit and purchases credit. Option B, cash account debit and proprietors drawing credited. Option C, proprietors capital debited and proprietors account credited. Option D, proprietors drawing debited and proprietors capital credited. You have to choose the correct option, that which journal entry will be required when merchandise is drawn by proprietor. Then we have MCQs number 11. An asset is considered to be current asset if option A, it has been bought recently and was bought new and not used. It can be option B, it can be realized in cash or consumed in the business within 1 year. Option C, it is a piece of new machinery that is expected to last for at least 10 years. Option D, all of the given options are corrected. Okay, so you have to choose the best answers, appropriate answers for the above mentioned two MCQs on the screen. Make sure you are not allowed to use any correcting fluid, highlighter, or whiteout. Make sure you're not allowed. So if you have write it down once, your answer will be treated the correct or wrong. No need to overwrite it. Your next MCQs will be MCQs number 12 and 13 on your screen right now. Which one of the following transaction will be recorded when paid to supplier? You have to choose the best one transaction. Option A, a check is drawn but not yet presented in bank for payment. Option B, account payable debit and cash credit. Option C, a credit transfer into any Mr. Terry's account, bank account. Terry is the name of the person over here. Option D, a check debited and account payable credit. So you have to choose the correct transaction over here, not the journal entry. यहाँ आपको ट्रांजेक्शन बतानी है कि ट्रांजेक्शन कौन सी होगी, ठीक है, व्हेन पेड टू सप्लायर का कॉन्सेप्ट आपके पास आएगा. विच ट्रांजेक्शन इज गिविंग यू द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट अमाउंट पेड टू सप्लायर. Then MCQs number 13. Which of the following account balance is shown on the credit side of trial balance? So you have to choose. It is assumed that all the account balances are shown on normal balances. Means normal balance, you have to apply the rule of debit and credit, and you have to think about that which account is used as on the credit side of trial balance. Number option A, we have cash account. Option B, we have furniture account. Option C, we have vehicle account. And option D, we have capital account. Choose the correct answers. Write your appropriate answers. Don't use Whiteout's correction fluid, are not allowed. Next, MCQs. MCQs number 14. Which of the following account will be credited if business sold goods for rupees 10,000 on credit? You have to choose that which account will be credited. Option A is cash account. Option B, sales account. Option C, account receivable account. Option D, purchases account. Your last MCQs. This is your last MCQs. MCQs number 15. This one is your last MCQs. Accounting, MCQ number 15. According to the double entry system of bookkeeping, the investment of rupees 10,000 in the business made by the owner will affect dash accounts. You have to write it down which account will be affected when investment is made by the owner. Option A, cash and capital account. Option B, cash and expense account. Option C, capital and revenue account. Option D, capital and expense account. Have to choose the correct option and appropriate answers. As you have done your test and done your answers, what you have to do, you have to write it down or send me your answers on my email, which you can see on the screen right now. You can send me your answers on my email only. You are not allowed to WhatsApp me. Only answer should be sent on my email address. Okay. Send me answers at my email mrs underscore mashood MASHHOOD at the hotmail. And thank you so much for joining the test, for appearing in the MCQs test, because this is basically the actual learning, that how much concept you have understand and gone through the tips and techniques and strategical part of accounting. Thank you so much.